welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you are returning. If you are returning but you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please support by clicking the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like the video. So in today's video, I'm actually doing a hair review of hair that I got last year. I think this hair I got somewhere around, I'm not really sure, but I'll insert the date. But when I got the hair, it was not more than 1,700. The reason I actually got the hair is because of Thandi Gama. I saw Thandi Gama's video on YouTube, and her thumbnail I think read hair for 1,600. I'm like, what? Hair for 1,600. So I actually went on AliExpress and checked out the hair. The hair company is called Celie Hair, right? It's a vendor on AliExpress, and it also has its own website. So I was comparing prices, and I was like, what if Thandi Gama got, obviously she was sponsored, right? What if the hair on the actual website and the hair on AliExpress is different? Because on their website, the prices are kind of a little bit higher, and I wasn't looking to spend more than 1,600, because that's what grabbed me while I was looking at the video. So, and I was like, if Thandi Gama says this hair is hundreds, then this hair must be hundreds. So I actually went and got the hair, and I was not disappointed, guys. I did not have any issues with the shipping, the vendor. The communication was flawless. I think I got the hair in less than 3 weeks, if I am not mistaken. Like, I think they say 2 weeks, but 2 weeks passed, and then I got the hair in like 2 weeks and 3 days or something like that. Not sure, but I did not have any issues with the vendor. Can you believe that I didn't even pay customs? Let me show you guys the hair. This hair is so smooth. This hair is amazing. I don't want to comb out the curls too much. I've worn the hair a couple of times. There were 2 incidents where I wore the hair for a whole week straight after installing it. And I was actually like sleeping with the hair and everything, styling the hair the following day. So yeah, this is quite good hair. You know how you buy hair and then it's new and it looks nice and beautiful, and after you wear it a couple of times and it starts getting matted up and it's not nice anymore? You will not experience that with this hair, and I've worn this hair quite a few times. Let's get to installing the hair. Let me not ramble too much. We're about to have load shedding, child. I already put on my wig cap. I'm doing the bold cap method. I tinted the lace already and my wig cap with some powder. done installing the hair. This hair is soft, it's voluminous, it's got a lot of hair, and I think it was 180 density. From the reviews that I read on AliExpress, I gathered that the hair was actually full, so I don't want full big hair. The only downside I have with this hair on the lace is shorter than the actual length of the hair. Other than that, it is good quality hair. I'm actually planning on getting straight hair from the vendor on AliExpress. When I installed the hair the first time, when I got the hair, I didn't do it correctly, so I ended up cutting a lot of lace like on the end, so this hair doesn't actually fit my head, if that makes sense. I'll definitely leave a link of the hair on the description box, so do check that out. But you have to be careful. If you're gonna order from AliExpress, you have to be careful which vendor you order from. Like, do your proper research. And sometimes people get discouraged because the hair that gets sent to influencers, sometimes it's not the actual hair that is being sold to people. This video is definitely not sponsored. I bought this hair with my hard-earned coins. I'm definitely going back to Celie hair. It's actually the following day now. I just wanted to show you guys how I like styling the hair to hide the lace here. You can't really tell that the hair on the lace is shorter when I have a middle part. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.